This isn't just another electric concept. This is BMW rewriting its own DNA in full view of the future. And the most radical feature isn't under the hood, it's hiding beneath the windshield. Meet the BMW Vision Neue Klasse, a bold electric sedan that signals the beginning of BMW's next era. After stunning audiences at CES 2023 with the color-shifting Vision D and its mind-bending 3D augmented reality head-up display, BMW is now taking a decisive step closer to production reality. Unlike the endless wave of crossovers dominating today's roads, this is a proper sedan. A clean, confident three-box silhouette that echoes legends like the BMW 2002, the BMW 3 Series E30, and the beloved BMW 3 Series E46. It feels nostalgic, yet unmistakably futuristic. Up front, BMW abandons its controversial oversized grille for a sleek, horizontal reinterpretation of the iconic kidney design. It integrates 3D printed headlamp elements into a seamless visual signature. Because this is an EV, it doesn't need massive air intakes, meaning the front fascia is pure design expression. Love it or hate it, this single element may define your opinion of the car. The greenhouse is equally daring. A fully transparent roof and side glass create an airy, almost architectural feel. Integrated e-ink displays subtly communicate vehicle status and interact with the automatic door system. Matte white bodywork contrasts sharply with forged carbon aerodynamic elements along the lower edges, while massive 21-inch wheels anchor the stance with purpose. Step inside, and things get even more interesting. BMW reaches back to the 70s and 80s for inspiration, fitting the cabin with striking bright yellow corduroy seats. They look sensational, bold, textured, unexpected. Sustainable materials define the rest of the interior. There's no chrome, no leather. The shag-style low-pile carpet is made from recycled and reclaimed materials. This isn't luxury through excess, it's luxury through intention. But the real centerpiece isn't the seats. Mounted at the center of the dashboard is an oddly angled parallelogram-shaped old touchscreen running BMW Operating System 9. It's playful, unconventional, and unlike anything else in the segment. Yet even this display isn't the headline act. Look closer at the base of the windshield. Stretching from pillar to pillar is BMW Panoramic Vision, an ultra-wide digital display that spans the entire width of the windscreen. Unlike the 3D head-up display previewed on Vision D, this system sits just below the driver's natural line of sight. The dashboard itself is set unusually low to make space for it, allowing the display to sit forward without obstructing the road ahead. In practice, it feels like the digital instrument cluster has been pulled forward and expanded into a cinematic ribbon of information. Highly customizable zones can display driving data, navigation, vehicle status, and notifications. Steering wheel controls and BMW's intelligent digital assistant manage interaction, blending voice commands with predictive machine learning. During assisted driving, more information appears. Switch to sport mode, and the display simplifies, letting the human take center stage. Underneath all this innovation lies BMW's 6th-generation eDrive technology. The Neue Klasse platform introduces newly developed round battery cells with 20% higher energy density than today's prismatic cells. BMW promises 30% more range, 30% faster charging, and 25% greater overall efficiency compared to current EVs like the i4, iX, i7, and the upcoming i5. Production will take place at BMW's Debrecen plant in Hungary, using reclaimed materials and manufacturing processes designed to eliminate fossil fuels entirely. The Vision Neue Klasse debuted at the 2023 IAA Mobility show in Munich, offering a clear preview of what's coming in 2025. This isn't just a concept car. It's BMW redefining the sports sedan for the electric age. And this time, the future is already in view.